Hey guys, it's Nanda from Nanda's Crafts. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you my Disney Princess flip book that I made with cardstock. So this is the front page and I glue a pink cardstock. The princess image I fussy cut from the Disney paper and then I glue in here. And as you can see, I apply a washi tape with hearts on the top and on the bottom. And right here on the left side, I have some stickers, colorful heart. On the back of this page, I have another image of the princess that I cut from the Disney paper pad, and then I glue on the top of a blue cardstock. And in here, in this other page, I glue a green cardstock, and then I glue the princess in here. It's a very simple Disney Princess flip book, but it turned out so cute. And right here, when I open, in this right side, I have the Little Mermaid. In here in this page, it is a white cardstock on the bottom. And then I cut strips of this paper. And then I glue, leaving a space. And in between the spaces, I added some glitter glue. And then I glue the Princess Ariel in here. So in right here, there's Princess Tiana that I glue on top of the green cardstock. So I fussy cut her too, and then I glue in here, and then I added some stickers, flowers. So open this page, I have in here a pocket that I can put anything that I want. And then I use my circle paper punch to cut all these 3 circles in here, and then I just glue in here, and right here is a washi tape. So here I have Princess Elsa, and then I apply some stickers, snowflakes, and a washi tape right here on the edge. On the back of this page, I have Anna and Elsa, and this is one of the papers that comes on a Disney paper pad. And then I punch some snowflakes in white, and then I apply some glitter on top. And here I have glitter right here on the edge and a washi tape in this other side. So in the middle, I decided to go with a waterfall. So this is from the paper pad too. Some people are worth melting for. So I just glued the cardstock in here. So I have the blue one, and then I have a pink, a green, and a blue one. And this is the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!